Hey everyone, welcome to this run through of the Green Year Festival kit, which has been created in collaboration with Laois County Council and Native Events and funded by the Community Climate Action Fund. We will start by having a look at our bin toppers, so come take a look and see what you can expect to find in the box. We have a stream for return, food waste and compostables, general waste and recycling here, which is already in action. Also in the box we'll find cleaning supplies, paper towels, cloth and cleaning spray to return them back to the way we found them. And each event should provide gloves for those working with waste, cable ties to attach to the bins, and I have a snips here as well, which can be helpful for detaching from the bins. So here I'll show you how to attach our toppers to your event bins. And these toppers, they can go on any coloured bin. So once the topper has been attached, it becomes for that waste stream. So over this way, and we drape it over, get the sides, they kind of flop down slightly, and we have 4 cable ties. This one over here at the back attaches through the loop to the bin itself, and it doesn't need to be pulled very tight as that crinkles it up a little bit. So the same on the other side, just through and till it clicks and secure, and the 2 at the front and 1 more here. So if you wish for aesthetics reasons, just give it a little adjustment so it's all lined up, and with your snips you can clip the extended arm of the cable tie. Here's a full set. You can see the different streams, different colors, nice and bright, well signposted. And imagining you're doing your event and your bins are filling up, how do we change them? So come over this way. If your event is using bin liners, you're expecting to have to change your bins multiple times. Here's how we change it when the bin toppers are in place. We drape it back over the back of the bin, remove the full bin liner, out it comes, and tie it up, put it off to the side. You get your new bin liner back in the bin. Fasten it around the edges nice and snug, and now the bin topper can be placed back over the bin as we were before. If your event you're expecting minimal rubbish, you probably won't have to change your bins. So we leave the toppers in place, the bins are filling up with rubbish, but your event is over, so there's no need to change them. We'll talk about removing them, cleaning them and placing them back in the boxes to be taken back to Laois County Council. A few quick things to note about the toppers. Really, these cut-out holes here, it's for general use of, items of rubbish, rather than someone like a food trader who might have a bag of rubbish who tries to stuff it in. We need to try and communicate that to the stakeholders in our event. If a stakeholder from the event has a large bag of rubbish, they can remove the topper, place it in the bin and put it back. But it is worth communicating to them about this, and it can also be worth having separate set of bins for traders, for example, who generally do dispose of a lot of rubbish at one time, or your staff as well. Another note, maybe you have a bin champion who's interested in taking them to the next level at your event. You can collect up samples of rubbish, coffee cups or plastic beer cups, whatever you might find at your event, and they can be attached, cans and bottles, to the appropriate bin, where this ring is and where the fastener is. So that can really just help your attendees a step further when using the right bin. That covers the use of the bin toppers at your event. Now we're just going to show how to remove them, clean them up and store them back in the box to be taken back to Laois County Council. And so grab your snips for removing the cable ties, the fastening points. Hold on to the cable ties as you remove them. And they can go in your general waste bin. And so we'll remove the topper, bring it over, bit of a cleaning station set up for myself here. And this comes out of the box in the kit for a quick spray and a wipe down. Just get them looking as they were so they can last many events for us at Laois County Council. Hopefully seeing these at many events in the future. So that was the top and the flap hanging down. I'm just going to turn it over Give a quick wipe if anything's spilt over to the other side. And now our topper is nice and clean, just to get it folded up along the existing crease lines, so they can fit back in our storage boxes. Like that. It should be quite obvious with the crease lines, and pop them in the box. And we continue on following the same steps for the rest of our toppers. So here's the Greener Festival kit, all boxed up, ready to be returned back to the County Council for other events to use. Just a couple of notes on the booking and the practicalities around that. When going through the booking process, Laois County Council will set up a memorandum of understanding for you to use the kit. For further information and for bookings, you can contact climateaction@laoiscoco.ie to go through the process and learn more about the kit. Thanks again for your interest, and we look forward to helping you making your community events in Laois more sustainable, and we can't wait to see the Greener Festival kit in action.